Hello, my name is David Meredith from Virtual IT, and this is just a very quick overview of our Learner Management System Pro version. You enter it by coming through onto a login page where you would type in your username or click on it and then put in your password. This brings you to our switchboard where we have a module for clients, learners, qualification builder and the training event scheduler. Clients is basically a CRM where we can record information on our clients. We have a place for additional contacts, a sales module, communication log, a linking system where you can link to service level agreements or contracts with your clients, and an admin section. We can get reports on the number of learners from clients and sales reports there. On the learner side, it takes quite a bit more information and it covers most of the CETAs that we deal with. It allows for a South African ID number which pulls out the date of birth and the age of the learner, as well as to check to make sure that they've never been entered into the database before. You can put in a photograph and print out a student registration form and an ID card should you want to. There's a place for contact details for the learner, absenteeism records, a communication log, education, regular learning assessment where you can have a snapshot of the events attended by the learner and individual learner assessment reports. We can link to learner files such as ID books or copies of certificates, etc. We have a section for discipline and grievance reports, an admin section where you can record learner vouchers from CETAs that give out these vouchers, and a learner admin section that tells you such things as the learner's special needs, and an employment section for either IPLing purposes or if you put in a completion date for the learner, if they're on a learnership or qualification, you can do a post-learnership or gainful employment report. Our qualifications are built up of unit standards or modules, and you can update these unit standards on a regular basis by just downloading the template from SAQA and pulling them into the system. We'd build qualifications here by clicking and dropping the unit standards or modules that are already populated into the database. And to bring it all together, we would go to the training event scheduler. It's a busy page, but it keeps everything together. We'd have our name, the qualification that we've built. We can click on here and it'll pull in the unit standards or modules behind. We'll have for facilitators, assessors, and moderators, venues. We can print out attendance registers either daily or weekly. We have an event planner which will ensure that if you've booked a venue or you've booked a facilitator or an assessor, that they've actually been booked and they've been confirmed, and you can pull out a planning report to go with that. Again, this can be sent through to your facilitator or assessor on site, so there's some follow-up if something goes wrong. We have a booking confirmation letters, evaluation managers, which would print out from a questionnaire builder. You can print out your own questionnaire or evaluation forms to give to your learners and then capture the feedback here. There's a costing report, there's invoicing per company or per client, and on the assessment side, you can go through and assess the learner or mark them should you want to if you're not doing assessment types of qualifications. There's a portfolio checker, projects, certificate information where we can print certificates, assessment preparation, mentoring, moderation, and site visits. In terms of reporting, we've got reports. There's over 150 reports in the database on admin, HR, clients, training, learners, qualifications, and CETAs. There's a section where we can pull out reports just to populate the CETA websites or send information through to the CETAs, and a section where we can export about 80% of the core information out of the database into Excel and make up our own reports. Now that is an incredibly quick overview of the LMS or the Learner Management System. If you'd like any more, we have a larger video, a longer video that goes into more detail. Just drop us a line or click on one of the links at the beginning or the first page of our website, and we'll get in touch with you. You can also drop us a line, we'll answer any questions, or we offer webinars on a daily, weekly basis where you're very happy to join. Our contact number is 0861 847 882 or 0861 virtual, or you can get us on info@virtual-it.co.za. And thank you very much for joining us.